Hello dear friends, welcome to Royal Palace PU College online classes. Dear students, in the previous session we had started with the topic differentiation of logarithmic functions. So today we shall continue with our problems related to our exercise 5.5. Okay, fine. First of all, we shall look onto the examples related to it. Now what are the examples? So the first example, okay, the first one asked in your exercise 5.5, y is equal to sin inverse of x whole to the power of x. It is sin x to the power of x plus of sin inverse of root x. Okay, now here it is nothing but here y is equal to u plus v I will take. Let y is equal to u plus v. So here that is nothing but here dy by dx equal to du by dx plus of dv by dx. Now what I am doing here, I am differentiating with respect to x here. This is the equation number 1. Now here let us observe the second part, that is nothing but where here u is equal to sin x to the power of x, here, okay, take log on both sides, so what we have here, that is log u is equal to x into log of sin x, it is very clear and simple. Now here we have to differentiate here now, okay, differentiate with respect to x, differentiate with respect to x, here. So what we get here, that is log u differentiation will be 1 by u, okay, 1 by u into du by dx, which is equal to, here you have to differentiate by parts, that is nothing but here x as it is, differentiation of log of sin x is 1 divided by sin x, okay. Further differentiation of sin x becomes cos x, okay, then plus of, okay, this is nothing but our composition of function, dear students. Composition of function means what here, differentiation of log of sin x will be 1 divided by sin x into further d by dx of cos x. It is nothing but here composition, or it is nothing but chain rule here, plus of v as it is, that is log of sin x as it is into further differentiation of x will be 1 here. Okay, I will continue it. So what we have here, that is du by dx equal to u, okay, into here cos x differentiation will be, sorry, here further differentiation of sin x here, dear students, it is nothing but here further differentiation of sin x, okay, because differentiation of this part, sin x differentiation will be cos x whole divided by what we have here, sin x, plus of next part here log x as it is, log of sin x as it is. Okay, this is your required part, that is u here, that is du by dx. Now what is the value for u here? U value is nothing but here sin x to the power of x here, that we shall substitute, sin x to the power of x. Now this is the first half part. Next part is v is equal to, what we have v here, now v is equal to, what is that, sin inverse of root x, value here. Now what is the differentiation of sin inverse of x? That is nothing but very simple, dv by dx equal to 1 divided by root of 1 minus x square. X square means what we have here, root x whole square, into further d by dx of what it is, further d by dx of root x we have, that is root x. Okay, now I shall substitute it. So what we get here, which is equal to here 1 divided by 1 minus root x whole square will be x here, 1 minus x here, root x differentiation is 1 by 2 into root x, 1 divided by 2 into root x, that is nothing but the value for v is equal to sin inverse of x, or the value for, okay, that is dv by dx. You can take it as equation number 3, 2, and its value is equation number 1. I will put 2 and 3 in 1 here, okay, that is put 2 and 3 in 1. So what we get here, that is dy by dx equal to, what we have here, Okay, first of all du by dx. Du by dx means the whole value. What it is? That is sin x to the power of x here into here x cos x divided by sin x, x into cos x divided by sin x plus of log of sin x, log of sin x. Okay, next here plus of 1 divided by, what we get here, 1 divided by 2 into root x into root of 1 minus x here. Okay, that is a required result. Okay dear students, it is a very simple example. So before moving to the next problem, please pause the video to note it down. Hello dear students, now let us move on with the next problem. The question is on the board, that is y is equal to x plus 1 by x to the power of x plus x to the power of 1 plus 1 by x. Very simple thing here. Now let us take it as, let y is equal to u plus v here, differentiate with respect to x, that is nothing but here dy by dx equal to du by dx plus of what we get here, dv by dx. Take it as equation number 1 here. Next part is, now here du by dx plus dv by dx. Next part is here u is equal to x plus 1 by x to the power of x here. U is equal to x plus 1 by x whole to the power of x. Now take log on both the sides. Take log on both sides. Dear students, we can observe here is, it is to the power of f of x to the power of g of x here. F of x to the power of g of x we have. That means what we get here, okay, ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಲ್ಲಿ, that is nothing but here log u is equal to x into log of x plus 1 by x here, x plus 1 by x. Very simple thing. Now the next step is, we have to differentiate on both the sides. Okay, differentiate on both sides with respect to x here. So log u differentiation will be 1 by u into du by dx equal to, here again I have to differentiate by parts, that is this part is u and this whole part is v here, that is x as it is, log of whole thing, that means 1 divided by x plus 1 by x here. Okay, next part is, okay, into further differentiation of d by dx of x plus 1 by x here. Okay, plus of, it is nothing but u as it is, v differentiation, plus v as it is, that is log of x plus 1 by x as it is, differentiation of x will be 1 here. Very simple. Now which is equal to du by dx equal to u of, okay, u of, now here x as it is, I will write down the denominator part, that is x plus 1 by x here. Okay, next part is, here I will differentiate this, x differentiation will be 1 by x differentiation will be minus 1 by x square, that is nothing but here x as it is, okay, x differentiation is 1, okay, 1 by x differentiation minus 1 by x square, this is the first part, plus of what we have here, log of the whole thing, log of x plus 1 by x here into 1, that is nothing but x differentiation will be 1 here. I will close down the brackets, which is equal to, now little bit simplification I can do here. Simplification is quite optional, you may or you may not do here. So for example here, if you take here simplification, what we get, u means what it is, u means the value is here x plus 1 by x to the power of x here, okay, into, you multiply here x as it is, take the LCM, x square minus 1 divided by x square whole divided by x square plus 1 divided by x here. Next plus of what we have, log of x plus 1 by x here. We can observe here, that is here x and x square get eliminates, here also x denominator both the part get eliminates. That means what is the remaining part here, that is x plus 1 by x to the power of x into x square minus 1 divided by x square plus 1 plus log of x plus 1 by x. That is the required result. Very simple. That is du by dx. ಈಗ ಏನಾಯಿತು, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೇನು, ನಾವು ಬರೀ du by dx ನ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಈಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು dv by dx ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, dv by dx ಅಂದರೆ v ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನದ ನಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, v ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇಸ್ x ಟು ದ ಪವರ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಹೋಲ್ ಥಿಂಗ್. Okay, that we shall continue. Now v is equal to, that is x raised to 1 plus 1 by x here, x to the power of 1 plus 1 by x here. Okay, take log on both the sides. Log v is equal to 1 by 1 plus x. Okay, 1 plus 1 by x into log x. This part is u and this part is v here. That is 1 by v into dv by dx equal to, this whole part is u and this whole part is v here. That means u as it is, 1 plus 1 by x as it is. Okay, log x differentiation is 1 by x, plus of, next part is log x as it is, and v as it is. Okay, v as it is, v as it is, u differentiation. U differentiation means what it is? 1 differentiation is 0 minus 1 by x square. 1 by x differentiation will be minus 1 by x square. Now the last step. What is the last step here? That is dv by dx equal to v into, I will take the LCM here, x plus 1, okay, divided by x into x, that is x square. Very simple term. Plus of, here what we have, minus 1 by x square, plus into minus, that is minus what we have, log x divided by x square. Take it as equation number 3 here. This part you can take it as equation number 2. Now we can put both 2 and 3. Okay, 2 and 3 in equation number 1 here. So what we get? Put 2 and 3 in 1. So what we have? That is dy by dx equal to, okay, so what we get here? Equation number 2. I will rewrite everything, x plus 1 by x to the power of x. Okay, next the whole thing as it is, x square minus 1 divided by x square plus 1 plus of log of the whole thing, that is log of x plus 1 by x. Okay, okay friends. Now the next one, that is the third one. Third one here, what do you mean by v here? V part means what is the question? V part, it is nothing but here x to the power of 1 plus x, 1 by x here. That I will rewrite. Next one, plus of, what we get here? X to the power of 1 plus 1 by x. Okay, into, what is the term? X plus 1 divided by x, plus of, okay, minus, it is minus log x divided by x square. That is your required result. Very simple problem. Dear students, if this problem is asked in your question paper, he will ask for 3 marks here. Okay dear students, before going to the next problem, please pause the video to note it down. Now let us move on with the next problem. The next problem is y is equal to x to the power of x cos x plus x square plus 1 divided by x square minus 1. Now here, that is y is equal to u plus v here. Y is equal to u plus v. Let here, that means here differentiate with respect to x here. What we get here? Differentiate with respect to x. Andre ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? That is dy by dx equal to du by dx plus of dv by dx here. dv by dx. Now here we can observe that what is the u value? X to the power of x cos x. Okay, here u is equal to x to the power of x cos x, x into cos x. Next here, that is nothing but here take log on both the sides. Take log on both sides. So what we get here? That is log u equal to x cos x into log x here. Now here this whole part is first here. This is the part u and this is the part v here. Now dear students, we have to observe that it is by parts differentiation. U as it is, v differentiation. V as it is, u differentiation. That means here differentiate with respect to x here. That means here log u differentiation will be 1 by u into du by dx equal to u as it is. U as it is means x into cos x as it is. Differentiation of log x will be 1 by x plus of, next log x as it is. Okay, log x as it is. Next part is, okay, differentiation of u. one have to observe that differentiation of u means what? Again by parts here. Again it is u and again it is v here. That is x as it is. Cos differentiation will be minus sin x plus cos x as it is. X differentiation will be 1 here. X differentiation will be 1. Now what I will do is I will multiply it here. Finished. That is du by dx equal to u into the next part, u into what we have, x cos x divided by x. That is x into cos x divided by x. Here x get eliminates. Plus of log x, okay, log x into the whole part. I will just multiply it by log x. So what we get? Plus into minus, minus sign here, log x into x sin x into x sin x. Then here plus of plus, that is what it is, plus of log x into cos x, plus log x into cos x, log x into cos x. That is a required form here. Next part is, what is the u value here? U value means what we have? U is nothing but x to the power of x cos x. That is nothing but here x to the power of x cos x, x cos x here. Next part. Now what I will do is, okay, that is nothing but equation number 2 here. I will take it as equation number 2 and this part as equation number 1. Now I will solve on the v part. Okay, here v is equal to what we have, x square plus 1 divided by x square minus 1, x square minus 1. Now here that is nothing but here, now taking log on both the sides. Here you can take log on both the sides, you can solve it, or else the very simple method you can do by quotient rule, that is u by v rule formula. Any term you can use it here. So here taking logarithm will be simple, that is log v is equal to log of x square plus 1 divided by x square minus 1. Okay, now here this part is nothing but here, okay, log v equal to log a by b. Log a by b means log a minus of what we have, log b, that is x square minus 1, x square minus 1. Now the next part is differentiated directly. What is the differentiation here? That is 1 by v into dv by dx equal to log of this whole part, that is 1 divided by x square plus 1, further d by dx of x square plus 1, okay, minus of the whole thing, that is 1 divided by x square minus 1, okay, 1 divided by x square minus 1, further d by dx of x square minus 1. Very, very simple thing. Now the next term is differentiation of x square, that is nothing but here 2x divided by x square plus 1 minus of, here x square differentiation is again 2x, okay, 1 differentiation will be 0, here also 1 differentiation will be 0, therefore x square is 2x, 2x divided by x square minus 1. Take it as equation number 3 here. Now we can put 2 and 3 in equation number 1, okay, put 2 and 3 in 1. So what we get here, that is dy by dx equal to, second equation is the whole thing, x to the power of x cos x into cos x minus, that is cos x minus log x into x sin x minus of, okay, here we can observe that plus it is, then here log x into cos x, log x into cos x. Next part is then plus of the third equation, that is 2x divided by x square plus 1 minus of 2x divided by x square minus 1. That is a required result. Okay dear students, it is a very, very simple example. Now let us move on to the last problem of this particular session. The last problem of this particular session, that is find dy by dx of the first one, that is x raised to y plus y raised to x equal to 1, and the second one is, okay, second one is very simple, x raised to x plus x to the power of a plus a to the power of x plus a to the power of a, that is y equal to. Now here let us move on solving the first part. It is a very simple thing here. That is nothing but here we can observe that it is an implicit function also. It is an implicit function also. How we require to solve it? Okay, that is the first one. Okay, what we have? X to the power of y plus y to the power of x equal to 1. What I will do is let u is equal to x raised to y and v is equal to y to the power of x. What I require is differentiate, that is u plus v equal to 1 we have. Okay, differentiate with respect to x, differentiate with respect to x, that is du by dx plus of dv by dx value will be 0. Du by dx plus dv by dx value will be 0. Now here u means what is the value here? U means x raised to y. V means what we have? Y raised to x. I will solve these two separately, du by dx and dv by dx separately. Okay, let us observe that. Let here u is equal to what we have? U means what we have? X raised to y. Taking log on both sides, log u is equal to y into log x, y into log x here. That is du log u means 1 by u into du by dx equal to, this part is v and u here, that is nothing but y as it is, log x differentiation is 1 by x plus log x as it is, y differentiation will be dy by dx. Very simple thing. Now here I will substitute here, that is nothing but here du by dx, that is nothing but here du by dx value is equal to u into y by x plus log x into dy by dx value. Now I will put the du by dx value, that is du by dx value, u means nothing but here x raised to y. Take it as equation number 2. Okay, take it as equation number 2. Now the next part is y raised to x. Next v is equal to what we have here? Y raised to x. Again take log on both sides, that is log v is equal to x into log y, x into log y. That means here 1 by v into dv by dx equal to x as it is, log y is 1 by y into dy by dx. Okay friends, plus of next log y as it is, okay, log y as it is, x differentiation will be 1. That is nothing but here dv by dx equal to v into x by y into dy by dx plus log y. Now here v means what is the value? V, it is nothing but here, okay, v, what is the v here? V means here y raised to x here, that I will substitute, y raised to x. You can take it as equation number 3. You can take it as equation number 3 here. Now put 2 and 3 in equation number 1 here, in equation number 1. Put 2 and 3 in 1. Put 2 and 3 in 1. So what we get here? 2 means du by dx. What is the value for du by dx? The whole thing, x raised to y into y by x plus log x into dy by dx, y by x plus log x into dy by dx. Next part is plus v into, okay, dv by dx. What is the value for dv by dx? Y raised to x into x by y, okay, into dy by dx plus log y equal to 0. Now what is the question here? The main important thing, the question is finding out the dy by dx. Now to find the dy by dx, what we can do here is, I will take here dy by dx term common. I will take dy by dx common, that is after multiplying it, okay, only after multiplying it. So what we get now? I will erase this part, okay. I will erase this part, that is nothing but here what we get here, x raised to y, y by x plus of x raised to y log x into dy by dx plus of what we have, y raised to x, x by y into dy by dx into dy by dx plus of y raised to x into log y equal to 0. Now what I will do is, I will take all the dy by dx at one side and remaining terms I will take it to the RHS. But among these two, what things I can take common here is dy by dx I can take common. That is x raised to y into log x plus y raised to x into x by y into dy by dx equal to these two terms you can take it to the RHS, that is minus of x raised to y into y by x. Okay, here also minus of y raised to x into log y, y raised to x into log y. Now here that is nothing but here it is minus sign, here it is into. Okay, now here I will take this whole term to the denominator part, that is nothing but here dy by dx equal to, I will take minus sign common, x raised to y into y by x plus y raised to x into log y whole divided by what we get, the whole thing is x raised to y into log x plus of y raised to x into x by y. That is a required result. Required result means finding out the dy by dx value. Dear students, it's a little bit lengthy problem. Now, okay, let us start with the last problem. The last problem of this particular session, that is exercise 5.4. What is the question here? He has given y is equal to x to the power of x, x to the power of a to the power of x and a to the power of a. That we require to solve here. Very, very simple thing. So before going to that, we shall erase this problem here. Okay, the second part. Second one, we are having here y is equal to x to the power of x plus x to the power of a plus a to the power of x plus a to the power of a. Let us take it as, let y is equal to, okay, let y is equal to here, or else you can take it as y is equal to u plus v plus w plus x, u plus v plus w plus z here. These are the functions. Dy by dx, that means a differentiate of all this thing, differentiation of du by dx plus dv by dx plus dw by dx plus of dz by dx. Now here we shall find each and every value very clearly. That is nothing but here u. What is the u part value here? That is a differentiation of x raised to x, that I have to find it here. Here u means what it is? U means x to the power of x. Only for this you have to take log on both the sides. Okay, that is log u is equal to x into log x. Okay, that is log of x raised to x means x log x we get. Log u means 1 by u into du by dx equal to x as it is, log x differentiation is 1 by x plus log x as it is, x differentiation is 1. Now these two terms get eliminates and you get the value as 1. That is nothing but here du by dx equal to u into what we have, x by x means 1 plus what we get here, log x by 1 into log x. Next part, what is the u value here? That is the du by dx equal to u. What is the u value here? U value is nothing but here x to the power of x into 1 plus log x here. Now here this was nothing but our du by dx. You can take it as 1 here. It has equation number 2. Now what we have here, x raised to v is equal to what we have, x raised to a. That implies directly I will differentiate dy by dx equal to, it is nothing but x raised to n here. X raised to n differentiation will be a into x raised to a minus 1, because d by dx of x raised to n value will be n into x raised to n minus 1. Okay, 1. Next also w is equal to what we have, a raised to x. That implies dw by dx equal to a raised to x into log a. Okay, very directly I can solve it. Also the last one, z is equal to a raised to a, that implies dz by dx value equal to 0 because it is a constant, because d by dx of k value will be 0 here. That is a required result. Now put in 2, 3, okay, 4 and 5 in 1. Put 2, 3, 4 and 5 in 1. So what we get here, that is dy by dx equal to 2. What is this 2 value? X raised to x into 1 plus log x, plus of next term is, okay, dv by dx. dv by dx is a into x raised to a minus 1 plus of dw by dx, that is nothing but here a raised to x into log a plus 0. That is the required result. Okay, dear students, these are all nothing but the problems, okay, related to our logarithmic and exponential function. These are the very simple and clear examples related to this particular topic. Okay, dear students, please pause the video to note it down. Thank you.